We are the future.
I'll give you one more money for school. Look for better education.